Hello friends, viewers, subscribers, well wishers, welcome back to our channel once again. So far we completed many videos. Now AMTI 6th part, already we have gone through 5 parts of AMTI. Those did not watch, please go through it. So now here, interesting problem on special sequence. So it's very amazing, interesting, please follow it. Okay, let us go through the question now. If the first term of a sequence is 3 by 8, if A is a term, then the next term is given by 1 minus A by 1 plus A, then the 2021st term they are asking. So, options are also given. So, it's a amazing problem. Please listen carefully. Let us start our solution. So, now here given first term of a sequence is given. Okay, nothing but our 3 by 8. If A is a term, then the next term. Okay, if A is a one term, then the next term also given. Okay, so next term is 1 minus A by 1 plus A. If A is a term. Okay, so then we had to determine 2021st term. So by seeing question, don't be panic. It is not compulsory to find out all the terms. It is not arithmetic progression or geometric or harmonic. Let us check how the problem proceeds. So if you observe carefully first term, then the next term formula is given. Okay, so let us calculate now. Since A is the first term, second term is given by replacing here A with 3 by 8. So 1 minus 3 by 8 by 1 plus 3 by 8. So if you take out the LCM here, so 8, so 8 minus 3 by, here 8 the LCM, 8 plus 3. So 8 and 8 get cancelled here. So leftover part is nothing but second term is nothing but is given by, let us suppose that A2, let A1 be this term. So A2B is nothing but here 5 by 11. Again, to find out the next term, this is the first term A1, this is second term. Next, to find out the third term or fourth term, this is a previous term. The next term is obtained by, therefore, now A3 is nothing but given by 1 minus, this is a previous term. To get the next term, again the same formula, next term formula is given. So 5 by 11 by, here I can write 1 plus 5 by 11. This is by the definition of 1 minus A by 1 plus A. Okay, the defined one. So now I can write here 11 minus 5 by 11 by 11 plus 5 by 11. So 11 and 11 get cancelled. So nothing but our A3 is 6 by, I can write 16. So again I can write here 3 by 8 after cancellation. So 11 minus 5 is 6 and 11 plus 5 is 16. In two table I can cancel out here. So A3 is 3 over 8. Again A4 is nothing but 1 minus 3 by 8 by 1 plus 3 by 8. Since again our defined term is 1 minus A by 1 plus A, with this only we are going to continue always. Again if you observe carefully, this is of this form, no? So second term, again the fourth term, here the same calculation, same, everything is same, you are going to get 5 by 11, 5 by 11 and so on, A5, A6 if you observe carefully. So first term, second term and the third term, fourth term. So therefore the terms of sequence are I can write 3 by 8 comma 5 by 11 first term and the second term. Again third term is nothing but 3 by 8 and 5 by 11. So on. If you are going to continue in the same pattern, I can write again 3 by 8 comma 5 by 11 and so on. If you observe the pattern here, our intention is to get the term called here 2021st term. So now I can write here, therefore 2021st term, generalizing. So this is odd number, this is even number of term. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2021 is nothing but our odd number. So odd number term, 2021st term is given by nothing but I can write 3 by 8. Okay. So since 2021 is nothing but it is odd, so that's why we are considering this one. If it is 2020 or 2022 term, my answer will be 5 by 11. If you observe carefully, the terms whatever I got here, so this is the first term given and this is our second term, and if you observe carefully, this is our third term and the fourth term is nothing but 5 by 11. So sequences nothing but thereof basically arithmetic progressions, geometric progression, harmonic progression, or there are many types of sequences. So it is special sequence. So interesting problem on special sequence. It is not AP, not GP, not HP. So like this, with the defined operation, with the defined formula here for the given one, I have gone through this one, the defined one. I have gone through the 2021st term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, so on. So the position of odd number term is 3 by 8, then the position of even number term is 5 by 11. So once you have a look, so please viewers, this is in this way we can overcome the anxiety of the problem. It is not only meant for AMTI, various competitive examinations, Olympiads, RRB, SSC, etc. Okay. So going through C option. Finally, hope so. I hope so you felt the video good. In this way we can overcome the anxiety of the problems. Okay. See you in the next video session. Bye.